Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com, and on this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, and today I'm going to share with you 5 best affiliate networks that you could check out so you can find the most profitable affiliate products to promote for your audience. If you're new to my channel, this is what I talk about, affiliate marketing and how to make money online. I've been doing this for 2.5 years now, and I make a 4-digit income online. So I'm just a stay-at-home mom, so I'm just trying to educate other people to do the same thing. I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell to see when my next video comes out. Alright, let's get started. The first affiliate network that I want to show you here is ClickBank. ClickBank is actually a very popular affiliate network, and it houses all digital products. The only thing about ClickBank that you just need to be aware of is that especially in the e-business and e-marketing section here, you just gotta be careful about the products that are in here. So you need to research to see if these products are any good. But this is a great resource. This ClickBank affiliate network is a great resource to promote digital products, because promoting digital products is actually a very good way for you to earn high commissions because of the low cost to make them, because the product owners just make them one time and then they could sell it over and over again. So you are able to earn a lot more as an affiliate if you are promoting digital products. So that's why ClickBank is very popular to come to be able to find great products to promote. And what you will do here is that you come to the affiliate marketplace here. So these are all the categories that you can check out, and how you search here is that you will base it on the type of product you want to get. So let's say you're into woodworking. Let's see if there's anything on woodworking here. And what you will do, instead of using keyword relevance, you're going to check the gravity. The gravity shows you what's currently promoting, and the higher this number is, the better it is. It's like the very recent. The gravity is based on, I believe, either the last 7 days or the last 30 days. So it's very current information about who is making money with these programs, and how much they're making per sale. So average here is it's $55 for this particular item here. This is woodworking is probably a course that they're selling here. So if you have a woodworking niche, this will be a potential product for you to promote. The other niches that are popular on here is health and fitness. There's a lot of products under health and fitness in here. Again, yeah, see, you sort it by gravity, and it shows you kind of like the best ones to promote right now. So before you promote any of this stuff, again, you should research to make sure they're quality products. And that's just the only thing about ClickBank, is that especially in like I was saying, in the internet e-business e-marketing section here, you just gotta be careful what you promote here. Okay, so this is one network. The next one I want to tell you about is ShareASale. This one is more for physical products you want to find. And so let's look at the different merchants that you can view here. See, for under affiliate, so every time you look at these networks, you always look at anything that says affiliate, because the merchant is for the companies that want to use affiliates. That's what a network is all about, actually. Maybe I should explain that in the beginning, sorry. An affiliate network is basically a website that brings merchants and affiliates together in one place. So like ClickBank, I was just talking about, are for digital product creators and the affiliates that want to promote digital products. They all come together to meet there. So it's just very easy to bring merchants and affiliates together in one place. And some of these networks specialize in a particular niche, but the ones I'm going to show you are more broad, so that's why they're going to be the top 5, the best 5, because these ones have more categories and this more likely for you to find something to promote that you want. So for ShareASale, let's just look at the merchants. So you have so many categories. You have accessories, business, classified, computers, automotive. So you pretty much, oh, there's online dating. Relationships is another great niche about dating or love. It's also a very high competitive niche as well, but there will be money to be made in high competitive niches. So you would just go into any of these and just check out the name brands. So for each individual brand you want to promote for, you would have to join the program and then get approved by the individual merchant inside. Okay. For ClickBank, you don't have any of that approval process. The ClickBank network is going to be the easiest for anybody starting out because you don't have an approval process. You just basically sign up for an account, find a product, and get your affiliate link, and that's it. For ShareASale, you're going to need to individually apply to every single one of these if that's what you want to do. But I don't recommend you doing that because it's better to pick a brand or two, like fewer brands to work with is better. Just pick the ones that may have like maybe or the highest commission rate, or it may be the product that you really like from that one merchant. So just don't join a bunch because it's just not going to be good for your promotions, because you do want to concentrate to just promote a few items under your business. So here's another one. This is called Avant Link. And this one is really for more of outdoor, not outdoor, but there's a lot of sporting goods as well as other categories for Avant Link. Here, go look at the programs. So let's take a look. So these are all the companies that have signed up with them. And see, there's a lot of sporting ones here. And camping outdoors. There's dogs. There's like, so board shop could be kayak. So there's a lot of outdoorsy type of brands in here. Gears, like gear type of brands. There's also watches. Like there's a variety of categories for sure, but they do specialize like more of the sporting type goods in here. So this will be a good one if you have some type of sporting niche. So the next one is RakutenMarketing.com. Now this affiliate network used to be called Linkshare.com, and now they are RakutenMarketing.com. This is another network that has a lot of different categories in it. This one, they have a application here that you need to apply for to set up your account with them. Here's the application. So once you fill this all out, I believe you could get this set up pretty quickly, because once you're inside, you have to apply to each individual merchant again. So here are some of the brands that they partner with. If you go down here, you can see that you could promote physical products. I think majority, oh no, it's not. No, I think majority is physical products, but they also do have digital product merchants on there, because I use one of them. For Udemy, it's a digital course platform, udemy.com. You can find the affiliate program in here. And so it has both physical products and digital products, and they work with a lot of famous brands, as you can see it scrolling here. And then so the last affiliate network is this CJ.com, which is used to be called Commission Junction. Now it's called CJ Affiliate. This is going to be the hardest one to sustain if you're a beginner, or you might not even get approved, because they are really strict. They want affiliates that already have a lot of traffic and know what they're doing. So if you don't bring in sales or activity in 30 days or something like that, or a certain period of time, they will close your account. So you may want to build up your affiliate site first and make sure you have a lot of traffic before you apply to this network. And in general though, guys, I just want to speak to you guys before you guys go to apply for any affiliate marketing program or affiliate marketing network. It is very, very important to present yourself with a website. If you don't have an affiliate website already and you go apply to these affiliate networks, you're most likely not going to get approved if there's an approval process. Anything that has an approval process, usually you will need a website, because they want to see what you will be or how you will be promoting it. So because basically they have, when you're promoting a brand, they want to make sure that the investments they've made for their brand stays intact. So they need to make sure the affiliate that is going to promote them is high quality, has a nice website, and kind of know at least what they're doing, or at least have good looking content, a real website that has good content that really is helpful for people for that niche. So they want to see someone that knows what they're doing. So you need to have a website. And if you don't have a website already, I highly recommend that you get one. And the place that I started at for starting this business, starting the affiliate marketing business, is at Wealthy Affiliate. If you guys go to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, you will get to Wealthy Affiliate. This page, what Wealthy Affiliate does is teach you step by step how to create your affiliate website. Okay, they teach you how to. They also give you tools to create your online business. So it's not just training; it's actual tools you're going to be using inside to not only host your website, create your website, teach you how to write your content, teach you how to use keywords to drive free traffic to your online business, and then help you choose affiliate products and choose affiliate networks. So they are the affiliate marketing training platform for beginners to advanced. If you don't know how to drive traffic to a website, this is the way to go. That's how I started. And my profile is right here. I've been here since September 2016. And they've taught me so well that I became a super affiliate for them. And if you sign up with me with my link, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, I will be your free coach if that is what you need help with. But you're not just getting help from me when you sign up with Wealthy Affiliate. You are going to get help from the entire community that is at Wealthy Affiliate. That is the secret gem that I've always talked about. Whenever I talk about Wealthy Affiliate, there's no way I would have gotten to where I am today without that community, because you need help along your journey on your online business. And it's not just the beginning. I still need help, and that's why I'm still there, guys. So that's why it's important for you guys to get education and start your affiliate marketing business on the best foot, and that is joining a training program that has step-by-step lessons for you to follow. Each lesson has either a video or like a long page of text for you to learn the lesson. And once you get down, see this video here to learn, and then You get tasks to do at the end of each lesson so you can take action and start building your online business. So it's very cool. This training is very action oriented. So you will get my help if you want to join. So again, the 5 best affiliate networks that you can use is ClickBank, ShareASale, AvantLink, Rakuten Marketing, and CJ.com. I really hope that you would join me at Wealthy Affiliate using workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I will definitely help you on the platform and help you guide you through the training. If you need any explanation or don't understand how to apply something to your business, I could be there for you. If you have any questions about any of the affiliate networks I mentioned today, please give me a question in the comments below this video. Otherwise, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when my next video comes out. I hope you will get the best program for you to work with, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.